Hello, welcome. In this video you will learn the finger pattern that you can use to play all of your major scales anywhere on the fingerboard. So I'm going to show you that right now. I'd like to give a quick shout out to Enya Ukuleles for sponsoring this video. I'll have a link to this ukulele down below. Now if we follow the rule of one finger per fret, I would like for the index finger to play all of the notes on the second fret, the middle finger the notes on the third fret, and the ring finger to play the notes on the fourth fret. So let me show you the finger pattern first, and then we will break it down. The finger pattern is index, ring, next string, index, middle, pinky, next string, index, ring, pinky. So if you notice, the index starts on every single string. So let me play it first just so you can hear it. So that was the D major scale, and all you need to know is the finger pattern, right? So pause the video real quick and use the printable provided to try and play D major scale. When you come back, we'll play it together. Alrighty? Let's play it together slowly. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Now using that same finger pattern, I can move anywhere on the fingerboard and do the same exact thing. Watch. Your homework for today is to memorize the finger pattern. Mummies! I'm sorry, I have to hold her here because she's scratching everything. So your homework for today is to memorize the finger pattern and to try it at 3 different spots on the fingerboard. Alrighty guys, we will see you in the next video. Sayonara!